This is Silas, not Silas. Today we will unbox Huawei P30. Let's look at the box. It has a classic Huawei design. It has Leica icon, and this part is just Huawei P30, and this part we have some information about phone, and this place we have some information again about the phone. It has 129 gig of RAM, 6 gig of RAM, and the color is black, and other information. Let's open the box. When you open the box, just it has, as you can see, it has always on display, and it has some information. It has a SIM ejector tools, some papers we always doesn't read, and that's it. Some of models it has a TPU case, and in the box, yes, we have quick charge supercharge adapter, which is other models especially don't have. It has a 5 ampere classic Huawei charge Type-C cable, and also it has a headset, wired headset, but I will show you again. It has a Apple Watch, Apple AirPod design, similar design. And let's look at the phone. The back of the phone is glass, and it is fingerprint magnet. It has triple camera setup and dual tone flash and just depth sensor. It has 3 camera. The first one is, it has triple camera setup, wide angle, macro camera, and the angle just default camera. It has black power button, volume rocker, it has a microphone, today just SIM port, and yes, this model has headphone jack, USB Type-C, and speakers. Unfortunately, this model doesn't have stereo speakers. And the front panel, we had the AMOLED 5.1 inch AMOLED screen, and yes, because of AMOLED you can use dark mode, and it has a drop notch, 32 megapixels. And also about specification, it has the same chip as P30 Pro, Huawei Kirin 9080, 6 gig of RAM, and also 128 gig of internal storage. It has HDM, Full HD AMOLED screen, Full HD display panel. Yes, it has the same specs as Pro model. Just differences, when you asked me, differences is about the screen. This screen is 5.1 inch and the Pro model has 5.4 inch, I think. And also the PPI rate is much higher than Pro model. This is has a good resolution, and also this model doesn't have wireless charging unit, and it doesn't have an water resistant certificate. It has IP53 just screen splash certificate. Also settings is the same. It has Android 10, yes, Android 10, and emotional UI 10.0. At the end of the June, I think the emotional UI 10.1 will comes these models, P30 and P30 Pro. It has a iOS looks design. My previous phone is iPhone 10, and I decided to use this model because of its battery life. It carries just 2 days of battery. When we use this model, I realized that I forgot when last I charged this model because of battery life. It has an extended, extremely good battery life, and also it has a fast charging unit. When you use this model, you just use with high charge level adapter. It has supercharge. I think approximately 45 minutes your phone will be charged fully. and its performance is it's incredible. You'd never get crash on some apps. And also this model is the last GMS or Google Play version models. After this model, you know that because of problems with Google and with the United States, you cannot use GMS Google Play services on this phone. I will compare P40 series with this one, but I think you don't need to Play Store another application because Huawei has App Gallery, and you can find my other video about App Gallery and other information. App Gallery has the same application, not all of them, but had the same application on the Play Store. Yes, it's trustable. And also, when we use this phone, we don't need to use another, and I don't miss, actually I don't miss iPhone because it has iPhone iOS looks design, and it's very, look at the gestures, it's like iOS. And also when we use, for example, light action, left action, yes, it is like iOS, and I just use it to use very similarly. Any faces, any strong activity or any problem when use this, I use it to use, yes, very simple, very similarly. I advise you because of it's much cheaper than the Pro model. Yes, Pro model has a good camera but has a bad screen, and also maybe it has a wireless charge, but we don't use wireless charging specification every day. What do you think about this model? Do you use it or don't use it? Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for your watching and see you soon.